To fix the screen color of your Samsung Galaxy S26 involves you going through different steps as you go ahead and disable different things that could have made your screen color to look something like this. So the first thing that you need to do is simply ensure that grayscale is currently disabled in sleep mode. So go ahead and open up settings, select modes and routines, tap on sleep mode, and then just turn it off temporarily as we disable grayscale. If you see that the screen still hasn't been fixed, then tap on the back button to go back to the main settings menu, then scroll and select display. Ensure that your display settings are set to light mode and not dark. And then if still that hasn't fixed your screen color, ensure that privacy display is currently turned off. Then go back to the main settings menu. If that hasn't fixed any issues, scroll and select the option accessibility. Tap on vision enhancements and then ensure that color inversion is turned off, that color correction is disabled, and that color filter is also turned off. Those options should be causing issues whenever it comes to your screen color. If you've successfully disabled them and you're still experiencing issues, then I'd recommend you getting in contact with Samsung support, as that could be a hardware issue from then on. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.